Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Face ID disabled or not available error on your iPhone. Now, the common reason why you might face this problem is due to temporary glitches with your iPhone. So, first thing you should do is force restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and let go of the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Wait for your iPhone to boot back up and your issue will be solved. If not, make sure to remove any screen protector from your iPhone's display, as it can sometimes interfere with your iPhone's TrueDepth camera. If the problem persists, open the Settings app and scroll down to tap on Genera. Here, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, select the Reset option at the bottom. Choose Reset All Settings to confirm. If nothing else works, go to the General Settings again and check if there are any pending iOS updates. If there are, make sure to install them. This should get the Face ID to work again. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.